Welcome everyone. The topic of this video is ABO blood types of lesson principles of inheritance and variation. We all know that the blood of human beings differ from person to person chemically. So when two different incompatible blood types are mixed, agglutination or coagulation of erythrocytes occurs. The basis of these chemical differences of human beings' blood is due to the presence of certain antigens present on the membrane of the RBC and epithelial cells. So because the antigens are present on the membrane of the RBC, they are also called as the surface antigens. Carl Landsteiner was the first person to discover the two kinds of antigens, namely antigen A and antigen B, present on the surface of the RBCs of the human blood. Based on the presence or absence of these antigens, there are three kinds of blood groups available, namely type A, type B and type O. So usually the type O is known as universal donor. In this picture, we could see the surface of the RBC shows the presence of antigen A type, whereas in the second picture, the surface of the RBC shows the presence of antigen B type, and the third picture shows the presence of both the antigens A type as well as B type on their surface, whereas the last picture shows the absence of the antigens. So later in the year 1902, Landsteiner's two students, namely von D. Cassel and Stirley, discovered the fourth and the rarest blood group, namely AB, which is also known as the universal recipient. Bernstein in the year 1925 discovered that the inheritance of different blood groups in human beings is determined by a number of multiple allelic series. So the three autosomal alleles located on chromosome number 9 are concerned with the determination of blood group in any person. So that the alleles present on the chromosome number 9 are responsible for the expression of the blood groups. So here in this picture, the paired chromosome number of 9 is shown, where both chromosomes shows the presence of allele for blood group A, whereas in the second picture, alleles for the blood group B is seen in both the chromosome pair of number 9, whereas the third picture shows one of the chromosome pair of 9 shows the allele for blood group A and the other one shows allele for the blood group B. So that in the first case it belongs to the group A, the second case it belongs to B type, whereas in the third case the persons belongs to AB type. The gene controlling blood type has been labeled as L after the discoverer's name Landsteiner, or even can be represented as I. So I stands for isoagglutination. So here the gene is represented as I. So the I gene exists in three allelic forms, namely IA as well as IB as well as IO. Presence of allele IA determines antigen A, and presence of allele IB determines antigen B, and presence of allele O specifies no antigen on the RBC. So individuals who possesses these antigens in their body fluids such as the saliva are also called as secretors. Each allele IA and IB can produce an enzyme called a transferase enzyme. IA allele produces N-acetyl galactose transferase and can add N-acetyl galactosamine, whereas IB allele encodes for the enzyme galactose transferase that adds galactose to the precursor. Whereas in the case of IO allele, no terminal transferase enzyme is produced, and therefore it is called as null allele, and hence cannot add N-acetyl galactosamine or galactose to the precursor. Thus, from the phenotypic expressions, it is evident that both the alleles IA and IB are codominant with each other, whereas both the allele IA and IB are dominant over the allele IO. So the dominance of hierarchy can be given as follows. So IA is codominant with IB, whereas these both alleles are dominant over the allele IO. A child receives one of the three alleles from each parent, giving rise to 6 possible genotypes and 4 possible blood types or phenotypes. So thus there are 4 different type of blood, namely A type, B type, AB as well as O type. Whereas the genotype of the blood group A is happen to be IA alleles and IA-IO alleles. So whereas the genotype of the blood group B is IB as well as IB-IO, and the genotype of the group AB is happen to be IA-IB, and the genotype of the O group is happen to be IO-IO. So thus there are 4 phenotypically available blood types and 6 genotypes available for these 4 blood types. Two different type of genotypes are responsible for the production of type A. So the paired chromosome number of 9 may have alleles as IA. So one of the chromosome is considered as the paternal, the other one is considered as the maternal chromosome. The paternal chromosome may consist of the allele A and the maternal chromosome may also consist of the allele A. Thus, these both produce as the type A. The antigens present on the red blood corpuscles happen to be A, and antibodies present in the blood plasma is said to be anti-B. Whereas in the second case, the paternal chromosome may consist of allele A and the maternal chromosome may consist of allele O. So thus these also produce the type A. Their antigen is also A and their antibody is also B type. And for the type B, two different type of genotypes are again available, namely IB-IB as well as IB-IO. In the first case, the paternal chromosome may consist of the B allele and the maternal chromosome may consist of the B allele. Thus, they produces the type B, and their antigens present on the RBC happen to be B, and antibodies present in the blood plasma is said to be anti-A. Whereas in case 2, the paternal chromosome may consist of B allele, the maternal chromosome may consist of O allele. Thus, these also produce B type. Their antigen is also B type, and their antibody is also of anti-A. Whereas in case of the type AB, the paternal chromosome may consist of the allele A, whereas the maternal chromosome may consist allele as B. So thus these both are codominant with each other and in the production of the group AB. So thus the antigens present on the RBC of both type, namely A as well as B, but they do not contain any antibodies. So in case of O type, the paternal chromosome may consist of the allele O as well as the maternal chromosome may also consist of allele O. Thus these both produces the O type, but no antigens are found on the RBC, whereas they consist of the both antibodies in the blood plasma, namely anti-A as well as anti-B. The next one is happened to be rhesus or Rh factor. So the Rh factor or Rh antigen is found on the surface of the erythrocytes. So this was discovered in the year 1940 by Karl Landsteiner and Alexander Wiener in the blood of the rhesus monkey, namely Macaca rhesus, and later in human beings. The term Rh factor refers to immunogenic D antigen of the Rh blood group system. An individual having D antigen are Rhd positive, and those without D antigen are Rh negative. So in this picture, the RBC is shown where the surface of the RBC consists of the antigen A. So thus they belongs to Rh positive. And here in the second picture, the RBCs do not possess the antigen D on the surface, so thus the individuals will belong to the negative group. So with this, the blood type is getting over. Regarding the next topics, we'll see in the next videos. Thank you.